Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss implementation of linear search technique. Implementation of linear search technique. In previous video we discussed how can we search for the element by using linear search. So now in this video we are going to write code or program in C language. Now I am executing this program in Turbo C++ editor. So now, as you know, we will include the header files #include stdio.h, standard input output header file, then next conio.h, then start the main function. Then to search for an element present in the array variable is required, so I am declaring array variable. Array size is required, which is n. Then loop control variable is required, I variable, and the element what we want to search, that we have to declare. So declaration of variables are completed. Now I am giving clear screen. So this is variable declaration. That too local variable declaration. Now we had to read array size first, then we had to read elements into the array. So first we are reading array size. So I am writing in comment lines so that you can understand what we are doing in the next step. Okay. So while doing program, you also practice like that. So writing comments and then write the code. Reading array size. So first printing message, enter array size. This is only for printf. As you know, printf is used only for printing. Then for reading, scanf %d address of n is the array size. Now array size is ready. Now we have to read the elements into the array. Read the elements into the array. So first printf statement, enter elements into the array. If you are not given this printf statement now, in output window just a cursor displays. So then we don't understand what we have to enter. So that's why for understanding purpose only we are writing that printf statement. I equal to 0. So we have to read all the elements, which is nothing but n elements we have to read. So that's why array index is starting from 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now for reading, scanf is used, scanf %d address of your I. Now reading is completed. Now elements are ready. Now from those elements, which element you want to search, that element we have to give. So read the element to be searched. So printf enter element to be searched, and then scanf %d address of, we declare that variable as a key variable. So here reading key variable. Now our search logic starts. So what is this linear search? What is linear search? Linear search means searching sequentially. What is linear search? Just for understanding purpose I am writing sequentially sequentially we will search starting from 0th position to ending position. That's why the name here it is called as linear search. Okay, so starting from 0th position na, so I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now compare the elements. So if u of I equal to key, then what does it mean? Element is present in the array. Printf element is present in the array. Of which position? Of, I'm printing position also. In which position that element is there? Position, comma, position is nothing but I. Then no need to compare to the next element. So that's why break, terminate the loop execution. That's it. If equal, then stop the process. Otherwise, check whether the search is reached to end of the array. If it is reaching to end of the array, that means not n minus 1th position. If it is reached to nth position, then what does it mean? Element is not present. Element is not present in the array. That's it. Use some get ch, close your main function, save linear underscore search.c, compile, execute, enter array size 5, 45, 23, 12, 2, 7. Element to be searched. For example, I want to search for 12. See, array index is starting from 0, so that's why 45 is 0th position, 23 is in first position, 12 is in second position. So the element is present in second position. The element is present in the array of second position. Suppose we will check which is not present in the array. So now array size 4, enter element to be searched 10. See, element is not present in the array. Whenever you are checking or writing these type of programs, you check both the cases. If that condition is a satisfied case, this one, and if that condition is failed and comes out of the loop, this condition, right? Both. Check both the conditions. Okay, then you can understand easily what will happen if both are equal, what will happen both are not equal. Hope you understand this binary search technique, linear search technique. If you have any doubt, you can post your queries in comment box. Thank you students. Have a great day. Bye.